Do you know what are the macro skills of listening comprehension? I'm Nilo, and in this video I'll tell you 7 macro skills of listening comprehension. First macro skill you should learn to improve your listening comprehension is recognize cohesive devices in spoken discourse. The most common devices I can point you are some words like but, then, so. Those are used very often in spoken English. The second macro skill you should learn to improve your listening comprehension is recognize the communicative functions of utterances according to situations, participants, and goals. For example, when you are communicating in a restaurant, it's different when you are listening and communicating in a lecture. The number 3 macro skill you should learn to improve your listening comprehension is infer situations, participants, and goals using real world knowledge. For example, when you are at the airport and you need some information, you must be willing to listen to some information differently from when you are in a restaurant and you want to hear some information related to the menu. The number 4 macro skill you should learn is infer links and connections between events. Sometimes it's very hard when you are traveling to another country and you don't know actually what the jokes are, but when you develop this skill of making links to from one thing to another, listening becomes easier. The number 5 skill you should improve to have a better listening of your interlocutors is distinguish between literal and implied meanings. Sometimes the people who are speaking towards you, it's just being ironic, and you shouldn't take it for real. So knowing what is a joke and what is real, that's quite important when you are practicing your listening ability. The number 6 macro skill you should improve to boost up your listening comprehension is use facial expressions, kinetic body language, and other non-verbal clues that makes meaning easier to be deciphered. The number 7 and the last one is develop and use a battery of listening strategies. There are different listening strategies you can use, such as detecting keywords in a sentence or guessing the meaning of a word in the middle of something someone is saying at you. So those strategies can be used at the same time or at different times separately. Thank you so much for watching to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, drop a comment, and we can keep on our interaction.